um, 17 this morning, Wednesday pre-market. So as you can see in the opening here, we have the market at 8:30 this morning in the opening has some buying coming in, and immediately was rejected with selling. Those who did get the newsletter realized that we had a shorting of the upward thrust on the daily chart. So at this point, the market has some selling. We don't know if that selling is going to lead to lower prices or not. We get a selling bar, and then we establish our trade range during the day. Here's the buying open volume. We draw the line across. The market reactionary high here. Draw the market across. It's around the 42.83 area. Market then comes here at the 42.67 area. Have our trade range. But if you notice, we are selling that's more prominent than buying, which is important for the trend of the day. We want to establish it as early as possible. We continue our chart during the day. We continue our chart during the day. No edge, middle of the range. We have a spring. You have a spring coming from weakness. It's a spring that we don't want to take, even though the background is more neutral to higher or more neutral. We don't want to take that spring because the background here is selling and selling to the market. So since we have selling in the background, okay, this is the E-mini S&P 500 chart. It's a 5-minute chart for August 17th. And we get to the point to where we see now the market retesting resistance would be an area of an edge to sell the market. We come up. We get a market that actually has somewhat of a shorting upward thrust. The market then sells off from here. And now it's pretty cast and die in which the market direction will be, simply because we have a market that went about halfway back into the trade range. Really not a great edge, right? But a trading edge, boom, we go up. We've now established a lower trade range in the market, So we're selling, breaking of the ice, selling. And this would be the trade trigger here. Trade sell here on the retest. The stop would be here. On this reactionary high above the 83 area. So retest. And then you have your markdown. It's still weak here. So you have selling, trade range, breaking of the ice. Breaking of the ice. Label this. And boom, and lower prices. And now we look into this area Y of the LPSY here. Back in here, going to be a sell area wise and the market wise. So this is a 5-minute E-mini S&P, and it just tells you the direction is down. And market went down here. So easy move with this down for some selling tails that go into the market. So looking to sell back in the LPSY area. Let me see what happens.